Date was January 2019 and I had an invitation to visit one of the most spectacular places in Kerala at 21,000 feet above ground level, untampered by man's hand, painted with every shade of green, was Wayanad with her most beautiful shades. Okay, as I said, the month was January and that means Wayanad is dry, is brown and scarcely green. Not what we expected when we landed. But was it beautiful? You gotta see it.
While you and me repeat, this bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
A few moments later.
Every time a moment happens, I couldn't get my DSLR to capture that because currently it's really huge and it's really hard to turn down. So why not test the capabilities of our phones? So I got along with my friend Amal, aka Suni. He's a photographer. He recently bought his new Pixel 2X. So I was thinking, why not do this? So we set out for an experiment on how much DSLRs can be replaced by mobile phones. And what better ground to test it than this beautiful place. So the days in Agraharam was coming to an end and it was pretty much fun because more like it was not a regular vacation kind of vacation where you go to a resort and just chill out. Pretty much we were mingling with Agraharam family, and Agraharam family means my friend's family, which is typically Rahul's family. So his mom is really sweet, and don't get me wrong, managing a resort is really very hard task. It's not like a one man's job or something like that. It's actually like a lot of things go happen, like break down in middle, and you are not expected to. So 2 days we were chilling out with the family, like with their daily ventures. But it was fun. For fun in sense, it was damn busy. We have to, because cooking and everything, it's kind of new thing for us. And me and Amal was like pretty much jobless there, so we wanted to mingle up with the family so that we can get what Agraharam really offers. So it was pretty exciting then, even though the work was really busy, but we had a lot of fun mingling with his mom. She is a lecturer actually, and she's ridiculously damn graduated. Like, she has a lot of degrees in her bag, but she doesn't like look like that. I am kind of late. My story revolves around a late person. I forget a lot. So I was like messaging my constants, like some of my friends, where I was like, dude, do you know like any time, or do you have any photos where we were in Agraharam? And my good friend Saourab just mailed me these kind of photos. It was insanely nostalgic to see me younger and my friends younger and my family younger. So I wanted to share this with you. So this is the photo that we took in Agraharam, like probably like 4-5 years before, not 4-5, maybe more than that. So this is that photo.